Welcome back to maths. Do you remember yesterday in maths we looked at these three symbols? Remember that this is plus, this one is, what's this one? Minus, and this one is equals. We've used those a lot, haven't we? But then we learnt about this one, the new one that we are learning about. Do you remember? And this one is called times. And it's for multiplication, which is what we are starting to learn about. Okay, so let's have a look. Oops. When we multiply or times, really we're just adding in groups of the same number. So we need to understand this word here, equal, because we will be using equal groups. So let's have a look at these boys. There are 3 boys here. If I want to make another group of boys, so there is a group of 3 boys, and I want to make an equal group of 3 boys, an equal group. So I need to bring 3 boys into this group. That makes it equal, the same. We also call it double because there's 3 and there's 3. It's double. Remember Jack Hartman taught us to sing our doubles yesterday? Over here we have 2 girls. Oops. 2 girls. If I said to you, please make me an equal group, how many girls are you going to put into here? How many of the witches? If I put 1 in, is that equal? Is it the same as this? No, it's not, is it? It's not equal. What about if I put 3? Is that equal? Nope. So to be equal or double, it has to be the same number. Let's go and practice that. Okay, have a look at the boy and the girl. Which one has made equal groups? Have a look. Is it the boy? Are his 3 groups all the same? Or is it the girl? Are her 3 groups all the same? Can you tell? Well, the easy way to solve this problem is to count them. How many cookies here? 4. How many cookies here? 4. How many cookies here? 4. So her groups are all equal. They don't look the same. Look, here is a diamond, here is a square, and here is a line, but they all have the same number, and that means they are equal. How about the boy? He's got 5, he's got 5, and he's got 3. So are his groups equal? No, they are not equal. Her groups are equal. How about this one? The boy is saying there are 2 groups. Are they equal? Are they? Is there the same number of cupcakes on this tray and this tray? Yeah, they're easy peasy, isn't it? Easy peasy. So, you are going to practice that for me today. The question here is, which of these show equal groups? How many pencils in this pot? How many in this pot? How many in this pot? Are they equal? Yes. What about the apples? Is there the same number of apples in each bag? What about the stars? Are there the same number of stars in each square? Do you need to count them, or can you just see by looking at the pattern to see that it's the same? Do you know what this word here says? It says groups. How many groups of buttons, these are buttons in English, how many groups are there? There's 3. 4. 2, 3, 4. There's 4 groups. There's 4 groups of buttons. How many buttons are in each group? There's 3, isn't there? 3, 3, 3, 3. So when we do multiplication, we look at how many groups and how many in each group. How about this one? How many groups of books are there? Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 groups. How many books are there in each group? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 groups of 3. Sorry, there are 3 groups of 5. And when we write that in maths, we write it like this. 3 times 5. Okay? That's what you're going to practice in your seesaw. Then, when you've finished, I want you to go and get some of your toys and make some groups of toys for me. Let me show you. So first, can you make 2 equal groups? Then, when you've put them in, take a photo. Then, when you've taken a photo, can you put them into 3 groups for me? Let me show you. I don't have any toys at home, but I've got fruit. Let me show you my groups that I made. I have used mandarins. These are mandarins or clementines. Can you see I have made 2 groups? How many in each group? 3. I have made 2 groups of 3. So I want you to get some of your toys and make 2 groups the same size. Now I've changed my groups. Can you see what I've made this time? How many groups have I got now? 1, 2, 3 groups. How many in each group? 2. Can you change your toys and make 3 groups that are equal in size and send me a photo? Thank you.